My name is Professor M.S. Rao. I'm an executive educator, executive coach, and author of 30 leadership books. One of my leadership books, titled 21 Success Sutras for Leaders, was ranked as one of the top 10 leadership books by San Diego University for the year 2013. My vision is to build 1 million students as global leaders by 2030. I provide corporate training programs for various companies. I have coined a new leadership perspective, soft leadership, which is inviting international attention. This concept can be used for countries as well as companies to achieve prosperity. I contributed lots of research papers, and one of the research papers published by Industrial and Commercial Training of Emerald is the most frequently downloaded research paper in the world. Today, I am going to talk about my upcoming book on soft skills. Why I have written this book is during my leadership development training programs, some of the senior leaders have asked questions about workplace challenges, and some of the leaders are not aware of soft skills. So then I thought, why not to uh, address a book on workplace challenges. So I have authored this book. This book is divided into three parts: part one, part two, part three. In part one, it talks about soft skills, hard skills, and how to blend both soft and hard skills to fast track your career. Talks about the importance of soft skills training programs for students as well as executives, and how to handle the knowledge workers. All those things are mentioned, and how soft skills will help executives to become better leaders. Part B talks about workplace challenges. That means uh, how to overcome organizational politics, and how to manage your stress, and how to ensure employee loyalty, how to engage employees effectively. And there is a popular slogan in HR: hire slow, fire fast. Why companies hire slowly and fire fast? So likewise, various aspects I have highlighted in this second part. Part 3 talks about leadership effectiveness. That means it talks about thought leadership, and Peter Drucker's views on knowledge workers. I'm a follower of Peter Drucker, and I keep writing about him in my books, and I keep sharing knowledge about Peter Drucker during my leadership development training programs. So I talked about thought leadership and knowledge workers. Then I talked about the significance of leadership development training programs for employees, because baby boomers are retiring, and there is need for Gen Y to be prepared for leadership roles and responsibilities. At the end, it talks about leaving your leadership legacy. Some of the leaders they are more conscious about their titles. One must learn that these titles are temporary. Leaders must reinvent with the changing times, and reinvent as per the changing expectations and aspirations of various stakeholders. So leaders should not bother too much about their titles. They must treat themselves as servants to the organization, servants to the customers. If they treat in that way, so they'll be able to get the things done well, and they'll be able to earn respect from all the stakeholders, and they'll become as good leaders, and finally they'll be able to leave very good legacy. So this book concludes with the leadership legacy. So I have authored this book based on my 34 years of experience in various capacities. That includes my defense experience, teaching experience, training experience, research and consultancy experience. So you can expect the best. And this book got endorsements from many international management thinkers, and one of them is Marshall Goldsmith, who keep giving me endorsements, who is generous in giving endorsements. So I'm expecting the book to be published by end of this December or next year January. So keep waiting for this book. Thank you very much for your time.